こんにちは、ニックです。今回は18番目の英検3級の二次試験の練習問題テストです。Are you ready? Okay, knock knock からね。Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Please come in. Hello. Can I have your card, please? Thank you. Please have a seat. Good afternoon. My name is Nick Ramsey. May I have your name, please? This is the grade 3 test, okay? How are you today? Good. Okay, let's start the test. This is your card. First, please read the passage silently for 20 seconds. Now, please read it aloud. Now I'll ask you 5 questions. Please look at the passage. Why are people taking cooking classes? Please look at the picture. Where is the salad bowl? Please look at the woman with long hair. What is she doing? Now, please turn the card over. What dessert would you like to eat tonight? Do you like to draw pictures? Please tell me more. All right, this is the end of the test. Could I have the card back, please? Thank you. That's all. You may go now. Goodbye. Have a nice day. All right. Well done. You did it again. Good job. お疲れ様でした. See you next time.